I'm talking about, buddy. We don't play around here. Guys, we just got out here with little Gary Lavron, 18th birthday. He was on the video a year ago. First freaking cast with the top water. And what does my man land?
Like 18 inches.
So I've got you some pliers in that hatch. And I'm gonna grab my camera out of there too. That might be a red. Nice trout. Gary's tearing them up right now, guys. Send a little school of trout back to back. Oh man, yeah. That is a nice one. Keep it going. Gary's hooked up again. Little trout. Nice. What's that, 3 back to back to back?
Yeah. It's insane.
Good work, man. Keep it going. I'm just gonna keep it on you. Show them how easy this is. Working that gulp swimming mullet. Nice and slow, bouncing the bottom. Fish.
Just another little trout.
Oh yeah.
On
the goby? Nice. Guys, this is what you do when it's blowing 20 miles an hour. You back into some reeds with the wind to your back. Yep. And you do whatever fishing you can. He's killing them today. Guys, we're in 20-mile-an-hour sustained, I kid you not. With gusts that are higher than that. Gary's in the Hobies still, loving it. He caught about a dozen fish today. Trout, redfish, his first ever topwater. It's a great day, but it's nasty conditions out here. So to do as good as we did in a day like this, that says a lot. We're heading back in. We're gonna load these up. I got a surprise for him for his birthday, and then we're going to watch some playoff football. Look at these waves, guys. Look at this. I'm not kidding. Did you have fun? You're on video. Did you have a good time?
Oh yeah, great day.
All right, man. I got your birthday present, brother. Looky here.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Cooler / dry bag by iRocker. Backpack, insulated, the works.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.